Thanks for joining us, and this video is about how to replace the display control panel in the Silhouette Professional wine cooler that is dual zone, top and bottom. I cannot find just the control panel part. They were sold out. To get the display control panel, I had to buy the control panel and the display control panel. And you can tell these are the numbers that were on it. This is the display control panel, the DG3-013-1. But it was still reasonable price. Lots better certainly than buying a whole new wine cooler. The only two that you're going to need will be a Phillips head screwdriver, and you may find that a short handle Phillips head screwdriver is more advantageous than a regular size screwdriver. So we're going to look at taking these screws off that are on the underside of the control panel. You notice there's a screw there. There's another Phillips head screw there. And you can see this, but there's another one right there, underneath. And see if we can take the screws off from underneath, like so. Pull it out from here, and tail from there. We've got a connection pin over to the left, and it comes into the control panel on the bottom of here. Okay, from here you can tell I've just pulled the control panel door off, the display door off, and I've set it down on the shelf below. So you can tell, as I mentioned, so there's the wires going to the control board. Here's the to connect or disconnect this, where it connects into the wires coming out of the refrigerator. The white part and the black part. To disconnect it or connect it, you press down on that clip right there. That's how there's a little clip on the white part right there. So this is really the key to locking and unlock it. Press that down and then pull it apart, and when it gets real close, you can tell there's a little white part in there. But that's the snap. That's the lock that holds it together. So it'd be hard to pull out until you press that down and pull at the same time, and then it'll pull apart easily. And there's a little clip here. We're going to just pop that down. We're going to pop this clip down, and this one, pull them down, I should say, out. And we'll pop the control board out. Display control panel pulled out, and this gives you an idea of what the part that it snaps into that you actually see looks like. So again, there's the silhouette part there, and it'll look like this. Okay. So from here you can see this is the part that we just pulled out. We were looking at the back side a minute ago. Flip it over and give you a good look at that. These little guys, these are little springs actually on top of those that press against the light. So press against the light. Also, just to make sure you don't get confused when you put this, as far as popping it back in, the new one. So you notice the cord comes out here. That is on the side with the Silhouette Professional logo. And just to let you know, when you're installing the panel back in here, like this, there's the Silhouette. Notice these three little places, the little cutouts in here. They are connecting to, you'll find similar places on this panel right there. So those will just snap in. So just push it up, this, snap those in, pop it down, and put the screws back in at the bottom. Okay, so since the display came up in Celsius, to change it to Fahrenheit, we'll press the plus and minus at the same time, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. It should change to Fahrenheit. And there we go. Okay, so that completes the repair of this, changing out the control display panel. And it went pretty simple, pretty easy. Thanks, hope you enjoyed the video.